In this video, we will discuss an overview of pipe networks. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file pipenetworksoverview.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. A pipe network is a combination of pipes and structures that exist in a drawing. A pipe network can be displayed in any view, that is the plan, profile, or cross-section view. The pipes and structures are defined in the part catalog provided by Civil 3D, and to narrow down the entire part catalog, you define what's called a parts list so that you do not have to work with every part that's in the catalog. If we look here in my drawing, I already happen to have a pipe network created. So in the plan, I already have it labeled and everything. And if we look at the profile, I also have that same exact pipe network displayed in a profile, and it has its own alignment that better shows the pipe network system. There are many settings and styles you must define or at least be aware of in Civil 3D when it comes to pipe networks. If I go to the Settings tab and we look at the different categories, we have a pipe network category, which is where your parts list is defined. And then you have individual locations for the pipe objects as well as the structure objects. So as you can see, you have pipe and structure styles, and you have pipe and structure rule sets, and pipe and structure labels and tables, and so on. So a parts list, if we look at this one real quickly, I'll right-click on it and go to Edit. A parts list looks at the Civil 3D catalog and pulls out from it what you want to use and see in the parts list. So the part catalog has many pipes and structures in it, and then the parts list just pulls out from it what you want to, let's say, shop for and actually use for this type of network part list. In this case, it's a storm sewer. So you'll see here you have pipes and structures tabs that allow you to pick and choose the different parts you want to be able to see and use within that specific type of pipe network. Pipe and structure rules control how pipes and structures are placed on the assigned surface. So as you drape a pipe network across a surface, it'll use these rules to define the pipe invert elevations. That said, you will most probably use Autodesk Storm and Sanitary Analysis for your real drainage design and then bring those files into Civil 3D that will already have the correct rim elevations as well as the invert elevations for all the pipe objects. Labeling is also an automatic thing with pipe networks. If you change any aspect or any part of a Civil 3D object, as you would expect to, it will update and move the labels automatically, which again is really helpful. Again, just to reiterate, the main functionality of pipe network objects within Civil 3D is strictly for plan, profile, and cross-section view automation. There's no analysis done within this file. You would use Autodesk Storm and Sanitary Analysis for that kind of design. To apply a part catalog to your session of AutoCAD Civil 3D, go to the Create Design panel in the More Tools option, and here's where you can actually go to Set the Pipe Network Catalog. If I click on this, note that Civil 3D does come with imperial and metric pipe catalogs.